Savvy on the beat. On the beat.
Hey everybody, I've just taken this time to just get away in my van. I didn't even really plan it. I don't even like have loads of food. There's my boiler's getting ready to go. I love that sound and that smell. Hey little ducky. I just feel like the world has been so stressful at the moment, and I just could not wait to get away from everything and everyone, where it would just be nature, quiet, time to meditate. And because I haven't brought much like unhealthy food, I can't eat it. So if you're fasting or anything like that, it's really good to go and camp or go and stay away in your camper van and just don't take the junk. If you don't take it, you can't have it, can you? I brought some work to do because I'm doing some exams at the moment, so I'm hoping to do some work, but I've just got a feeling I'm just probably going to be sleeping. I'm just going to be sleeping, meditating and resting. So I just know this time here is going to really chill me out. It's going to put me in a good mindset. So I'm going to have my coffee now. I hope you like my new fridge. I'm over the moon with it. Got to keep checking it, making sure it's... I can't hear a thing. I need to check it's on. It's that quiet. I mean, it's under my bed and I can't hear anything, and it freezes. So just me, myself and I. Don't know if anyone else just loves their own company, but I love my own company.
Savvy on the beat.
I just thought I would do a little bit of night filming. I've never videoed like when it's all gone pitch black. So like all around the van is literally just pitch black. Can't see anything. And what I've realised as well is that on campsites people go to sleep so early. So like I'm so nosy as well. So like at 9 o'clock or something, all the lights are out. It's just like everyone's asleep. I'm just cleaning my face. Usually when I go away in my van, I try to treat it like a healthy healing time. So I'll do meditation, but I'll do things that are really restful and kind to myself. Like I've got a beautiful spray. It just smells like really orangey, and I'll spray a little bit of that onto the fabric so that the air's just got this really nice orangey smell. I've got some like magnesium spray, and this one's so good because it's got peppermint and eucalyptus. So when you put it onto, like my muscles are hurting at the moment, but when I put it onto my aching muscles, it really is gorgeously soothing. And I've got no signal, I've got no internet. And at first I was a little bit kind of like panicked that I didn't have a signal or an internet, but now I'm like, yay! No signal, no one can contact me. When I came and booked in, the lady who checked me in to my pitch, she said, "Is it a couple?" And I said, "No, just me." And she was like, "Oh gosh, you're brave." I said, "Well, I'm not really, but when you're locked in your van, you know, someone's gonna have to try to break in, and you'll be able to hear it immediately because you're like so close to the surfaces." And I know exactly where my keys are. I can get to the driver's seat. Would be a little bit of an aerobic job like. And I can honk my horn, put my lights on, start my engine. By that time whoever was even attempting to come would be gone. Let's see them for dust. So here I am at night. I do try to sometimes like listen to an audio book, but there's just something about my camper van that just makes me so sleepy. I literally like, I'm dropping to sleep as soon as I get in it. I'm just like, oh, I just love it so much. I was gonna do some work, but it just overwhelms me with tiredness. It's almost as though my body has worked and worked and worked, and then I just get into nature and my body just goes, hibernate now. And my bed is so cute. Look how glamorous my bed is. It's got my fabulous cushions. But yeah, my fridge is not making a sound. It's amazing. Got some little lights on the ceiling here. I've also got my lamp, which is a touch on and off, which I really like. Cute, innit? My cute camper van at night. You won't see anything outside. We jump out of a skim, won't we? If a person appeared. I'm gonna get some sleep now. So I just wanted to show you my camper van at night. It's so quiet, so peaceful. Love it. And I've got an electric blanket under my sheet. It's just so soothing, so gorgeous. So here I am in the pitch black. Well, that's how dark it is without my light. So anyway, yeah, this is me at night, no makeup on. Getting all ready for bed. And looking forward to lovely, lovely sleep. I love sleep. I love my bed, I love sleep, I love my electric blanket. I'm so grateful for my life. Good night. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. Everybody's still fast asleep. No one's around. Except for some of the ducks. I've got my little fire down there. I don't know if you probably can't see it. But I always get nice and cozy in the morning, get my coffee on. And I'm lucky that I don't have to just go out to go to the toilet, because I suppose if you had to go out in it, it wouldn't be as much fun. But when you can stay in, I don't mind it. I've got so much reading and writing to do. So good morning, everybody. My happy face. Something about being in the forest just calms you down, makes you feel at peace. It's got like even a warmth to it. You get out the cold and into the forest, it feels warm. I think humans were meant to live in a forest. We were, weren't we? Thing is as well, this is really good exercise, like really healing, healthy exercise, but you don't feel like you're exercising.
Savvy on the beat. Savvy on the beat.